Welcome back everybody to another video. So today I decided to do something different. Today I'm gonna try to cook with my sister. What we're trying to cook is a little pasta right here that we found on Pinterest. And we have some ingredients back there, but we're still missing some of them. So what we're gonna do is first go buy them and then we're gonna come back and try cooking. Since I have like zero experience cooking, this is gonna be kind of fun trying to see how good it comes out and let's see what happens. So right now we came into the market to buy the ingredients that we need to buy, but we don't know where to find them, so so we're just looking around. We found anything?
A few minutes later.
So far we were able to find 2 of our items, but we're still a long way.
Seasoned dried tomatoes.
Okay. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so we just finished buying everything. Almost everything. We couldn't find sun-dried tomatoes. So we decided to just call somebody to go buy them for us.
Yes.
So what's gonna be the plan now, baby?
Well, I don't know. We have to wait. We don't want to go drive.
I'm too lazy to go driving to where it is. So
So it's either that or we want McDonald's.
yeah, it's because I haven't eaten anything, so I'm kind of just hungry right now. So we're just gonna go back. I'll probably just eat some snacks
We should
and
make the potatoes.
start making the potatoes.
Okay.
All right, so I'll keep you all updated and see what happens. See ya. So we're back home now, and we got everything we needed.
3 hours later.
3 hours later, and right now, baby has started cooking. I don't know what she's done. So can you please explain what you've done so far?
I just cut the garlic,
So she cut the garlic.
and then we had to mix the sun-dried tomatoes.
This is the sun-dried tomatoes,
Yes.
which we couldn't find. How many?
3.
We had to go to 3 different stores in order
And
to
then the
find.
chicken is cooking,
And then right now we're cooking the chicken
and then the pasta.
and then the pasta.
So now we're making the.
Honestly, I haven't been doing anything. I just been like, I said I was gonna try it, so I'm gonna try to do something. But most of the hard stuff is already being done, like cooking the chicken and the pasta. So I'm just gonna like work with just seasoning things, I guess. What else is there to do?
Just making the sun-dried tomato sauce,
And that's it.
and like the half and half, and there's still stuff to do.
Okay, so there's still stuff to do. So I'll just be keeping you all updated and see how this turns out. Of dried tomato in this, and then
Hold on, let me put the olive.
okay. Oopsie. So what do I do with this?
Just wait there.
Just wait here.
Yeah.
What are you gonna be doing?
Putting in the olive, I just told you.
Olive in where?
Tables.
This is why I don't cook. Cooking is hard. And then you just have to wait here like doing nothing. So we have to put the sun-dried tomatoes in here. Just like that.
And the garlic.
And the garlic. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the garlic. Alright. And
Just wait for that to cook.
we just have to wait for that to finish cooking then. Alright, so we have a half a cup of half and half. Right?
Yes.
And then where do we have to put this?
In there.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay, just pour it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks good.
And then we just wait for it to boil, and we're good.
So just boiling. So what we have done so far
It's the same
is
thing.
put the same thing as we done. Just put the chicken, the pasta, Then we just put the half and half with the garlic and the dried tomatoes. Is there anything else you have to do?
No mozzarella, but we have to wait for that to boil and then put in mozzarella.
Yeah, so for now, I guess we just be playing the waiting game.
Pouring in mozzarella now. Don't make my face.
So we're pouring in more mozzarella. I have no idea why. I'm completely lost. I don't know what's going on. So why are we doing this?
Because once that boils, this boils, then you put in the mozzarella. You can see it's starting to boil a little.
Oh, it looks like, you know, those omelets that we're making.
No.
No, it doesn't look like an omelet.
No.
It looks like an omelet to me. Anyways, so this is like what the ingredients we've been using: sun-dried tomatoes, the extra virgin, the Parmesan cheese.
No, we're not using Parmesan cheese.
We're not using this. Then why we got it?
Oh,
Maybe-
because for future recipes.
Oh, future recipe. Stay tuned. Might not be there. I think after this, I'm quitting as a chef. As a sub chef. I'm not even a sub chef. I'm just here recording. Baby's doing all the work. So I'm finally doing something. What am I doing?
Add it.
Oh, just add the cheese. Whoa! And then what happens?
Mix it. You want to mix it?
Sure, I'll mix this.
Okay, mix it. You want me to record?
Yeah, take it. Look at me. I'm mixing. Oh, I told you we are making an omelet. No? No omelet?
No.
How much longer do I have to mix?
I don't know.
Excuse me?
Okay,
Alright, you can
anyways.
stop. I got kicked out. She told me I didn't know what I was doing. And I got kicked out of my job. Yeah, so here. Here's the recipe.
Okay, add 1 tablespoon of dried basil, paprika, and a tablespoon of...
I don't know what to do now.
Fine, you want to keep mixing?
So you cut the chicken. I didn't do it.
Keep mixing. Just keep mixing
Okay.
until it's a creamy pasta.
Creamy pasta. What about the chicken? Oh, it's not for me. Who is it for?
Well, yeah, but don't worry. Paprika.
Paprika. So we added basil and paprika so far.
And 1/4 chili flakes. So just a little.
Chili flakes.
Just a little.
What is this? Ooh. Chili flakes. And this is the sauce that goes on top.
1/4 of salt.
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 We're gonna be adding salt. I'm still here. I think this is the only thing I've been doing so far.
Good enough.
Wow, I didn't know cooking was this easy. You have to put a lot of stuff in, mix and mash, and that's
Yeah,
it.
put it down.
Right, so once that's done, what about this chicken? It's just been there for a while.
I don't know.
You just move it.
We'll flip it and see the burn. It's not ready.
Not ready?
Not ready. Can't you tell it's white?
I don't know. All chicken looks white. What stage are we in?
We're in the last stages. You just add the chicken and then the pasta once the pasta is done cooking. And then you mix it all together with the sauce and then you're done.
Alright, so what was the name of this recipe, by the way? Let's make sure we don't burn the kitchen.
Sun-dried tomato pasta with chicken and mozzarella. It's supposed to be look
Alright,
like that.
so we'll probably provide a link on the description of the recipe if you all want to try it out. I don't think we took that long, right? It took like
But the chicken's already been made.
the chicken was already being made. So I think the chicken's probably the thing that takes the longest just to cook. The sauce. So bad news, everybody. seems we didn't make enough sauce and we had more pasta, so we have to remake the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, so well, let me show you all how it turned out. So as you can see, the sauce is not really, it's kind of dry still. So we're gonna try to make more to see if it turns out a little bit better. Because on the picture it was something like that, but it doesn't look anything like that. So he's gonna have to see if that will fix it. So this is the pasta. Our baby already tried it. She said that she liked it.
I'm eating my pasta.
Now I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I gotta say it's pretty good actually. A little bit spicy, but I like it. I like it. So here's the plate. That's the pasta. And after how long? Like an hour? After failing on making the sauce be nice and creamy and instead it's like dry, despite the mistakes that we made and just me standing around looking pretty and not doing anything actually. After, I think overall the pasta came out pretty good. Anything you would like to add, baby?
I think the potatoes were the best part.
Yeah, there were potatoes made. I don't know when that happened, but they were made.
But the pasta was good overall.
But anything you would change?
Yeah.
Creamy sauce.
Yeah, more creamy. It's too dry.
It's too dry or creamy sauce. Okay.
Killing it.
All right. So for our first time trying to create this, I think it was okay. But yeah, that concludes our segment for today, and see you all next time. Please subscribe and like the video. And comment down below if you want us to try any other recipes. So yeah, see you all next time.